Ever bought some USDT and now you're itching to trade it on Kraken? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the simple steps to deposit USDT onto your Kraken account. So, grab your USDT and let's dive in. Now, before we get started, a quick reminder, cryptocurrency trading involves risks. Always do your own research, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Alright, let's get down to business. First things first, you'll need a Kraken account. If you don't have one already, head over to kraken.com and sign up. It's a pretty straightforward process, but make sure to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you've signed up and logged in, let's find our deposit options. Mouse hovers over the Funding tab in the Kraken interface. You'll typically find the Funding tab in the main menu. Hover over it, and you should see a list of deposit options. Look for USDT in that list. Click on it. Click on the USDT deposit option. This will open a new window or tab specific to USDT deposits. Pay close attention to the instructions displayed on this page. Kraken will provide you with a unique deposit address. This address is crucial. It's like your cryptocurrency bank account number. Never share this address with anyone, and always double-check that you're sending USDT to the correct address. Zoom in on the screen to highlight the unique USDT deposit address. Depending on the network you're using, like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20, the deposit address will look different. Make sure you're using the correct network for the USDT you're sending. Sending USDT on the wrong network will result in the loss of your funds. Display a brief on-screen warning about sending USDT on the wrong network. Now, let's go to your cryptocurrency wallet or exchange where you have your USDT stored. You'll need to initiate a withdrawal. Transition to a separate screen recording of a different cryptocurrency exchange or wallet. Find the USDT in your wallet and select the Withdraw or Send option. In the withdrawal screen, you'll be asked to enter the recipient's address. This is where you'll paste the unique USDT deposit address you copied from Kraken. Paste the Kraken deposit address into the withdrawal field. Double-check that you've entered the correct address and the correct amount of USDT. Most withdrawals will require a small network fee. This fee is paid to the miners who process the transaction. Once you've verified everything, click Withdraw or Send. Click the Withdraw or Send button. You'll usually receive a confirmation screen. Review the details carefully one last time and confirm the withdrawal. You'll then receive a transaction ID or hash. This is a unique identifier for your transaction on the blockchain. Keep this transaction ID handy for tracking the progress of your deposit. You can use blockchain explorers like Etherscan, Troncscan, or BSCScan to monitor the status of your transaction. Now, let's head back to Kraken. Your USDT deposit should appear in your Kraken account shortly. The exact time it takes will depend on the network you used and the current network congestion. Once your deposit is confirmed, you'll see it reflected in your Kraken balance. You're now ready to start trading on the Kraken exchange. That's it. You've successfully deposited USDT onto your Kraken account. Now you can explore the various trading options available on the platform. Remember to always practice responsible trading and prioritize your financial security. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.